Ford builds some of the most bulletproof cars ever made, and some of the biggest financial disasters on four wheels. Today, we're counting down 4 cheap Ford cars that will cruise past 200,000 miles without a fight, and 3 that will drain your wallet dry. Stick around, because number 1 on our Bankrupt You list has cost real owners thousands in repairs and lawsuits. Let's start the countdown. Number 7. 2014 Ford Taurus SE. Coming in at number 7, we have the 2014 Ford Taurus SE, powered by the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. Here's why this one earns a spot on the Last Forever list. Ford's 3.5-liter Cyclone V6 is one of the most proven engines the company has ever built. No turbochargers, no complicated forced induction plumbing, just a simple, durable power plant that regularly sees owners reporting 200,000 to 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. The key word here is naturally aspirated. Ford also offered a turbocharged EcoBoost version of the Taurus during this era, and that's the one you want to avoid. The EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 is powerful, but it runs hotter, works harder, and has more components that can fail down the road. The SE trim, thankfully, sticks with the simple V6, and that simplicity is exactly what makes it a long-term winner. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with this engine is also a strong point. Unlike some of Ford's other transmissions from this era, and trust us, we'll get to those, this conventional torque converter automatic shifts smoothly and doesn't develop the shuddering, jerking problems that plague other Ford models. On the used market, a 2014 Taurus SE with 100,000 to 130,000 miles typically sells for $8,000 to $11,000, making it one of the cheapest full-size sedans you can buy with real long-term potential. Common maintenance items to watch for include spark plugs around 100,000 miles and routine transmission fluid changes, but there are no widespread catastrophic failures reported on this specific SE V6 configuration. If you want a spacious, comfortable, and genuinely reliable Ford sedan for cheap, this is where the countdown begins. But number 6 takes reliability even further, and it might surprise you. Number 6. 2013 Ford Fusion S. Number 6 on our list is the 2013 Ford Fusion S, equipped with the standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This is the sleeper pick of the entire video. Everyone remembers the 2013 Fusion for its sleek, Aston Martin-inspired styling, but most people jump straight to the EcoBoost trims without realizing those turbocharged models came loaded with problems, including coolant intrusion issues that could crack cylinder heads. The base S trim with the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine sidesteps all of that. This 2.5-liter engine is a carryover design that Ford refined over more than a decade, and it shows. It's not exciting, it's not turbocharged, but it is remarkably tough. Owners routinely report these engines lasting well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes, brakes, and tires. The 6-speed automatic transmission in the base Fusion S is also a conventional unit, not the dual-clutch system Ford used elsewhere, which means smooth, predictable shifting for the life of the car. Because the base S trim lacks the flashy turbo engine and premium features, it's often overlooked at used car lots, which works entirely in your favor. You can typically find a 2013 Fusion S with 90,000 to 120,000 miles for around $7,000 to $9,000, making it one of the best value sedans on this entire list. Just remember, stick with the S trim and the 2.5-liter engine specifically. The moment you move up to SE or titanium trims with EcoBoost engines, you're rolling the dice on head gasket failures and turbo issues that can cost thousands. Simple, cheap, and nearly unkillable. That's the 2013 Fusion S. But number 5 brings us a bigger, boxier Ford that owners swear will outlive them. Number 5. 2015 Ford Edge SE. At number 5, we have the 2015 Ford Edge SE, again powered by the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. Just like the Taurus, this generation of Edge offered both a turbocharged EcoBoost 4-cylinder and a traditional V6, and the V6 is the one that survives the long haul. The 3.5-liter engine in this SE trim shares its DNA with the same proven Cyclone family we talked about earlier, and that reputation for durability carries straight over into this midsize crossover. Owners of this generation Edge consistently report crossing 200,000 miles with only standard maintenance, things like brake jobs, tire rotations, and periodic transmission services. The 6-speed automatic transmission here is another conventional design, not one of Ford's troublesome dual-clutch units, so you won't be dealing with the jerky shifting or premature clutch where that hurt Ford's reputation elsewhere. What makes the Edge especially attractive for buyers on a budget is depreciation. SUVs and crossovers from 2015 have already taken their biggest depreciation hit, which means you can find a 2015 Edge SE with 100,000 to 140,000 miles for around $9,000 to $12,000. That's a full-size, comfortable, family-friendly crossover for sedan money. One thing to watch for is the door handle assembly, which can fail on high-mileage edges. But this is a cheap, easy fix and not an engine or transmission concern. Skip the EcoBoost 4-cylinder Edge trims if long-term reliability is your goal. The turbo engine adds complexity and heat-related where that the naturally aspirated V6 simply doesn't have to deal with. The 2015 Edge SE proves that even Ford's bigger vehicles can be built to last. But number 4 might be the most underrated Ford of this entire era. Number 4, 2016 Ford Flex SE. Rounding out our lasts forever list at number 4 is the 2016 Ford Flex SE, once again equipped with the reliable, naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. The Flex gets overlooked constantly because of its boxy, unconventional styling, but underneath that quirky exterior sits one of the most mechanically sound vehicles Ford has ever produced. This is the same trusted 3.5-liter Cyclone V6 we've seen twice already on this list, paired again with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission, not the problematic dual-clutch system. Because the Flex shares its platform and drivetrain with both the Taurus and the Edge, it inherits all of the same long-term durability. Owners routinely report 200,000-plus miles with basic maintenance, and mechanics frequently point to this V6 and transmission combination as one of the most dependable pairings Ford has ever built. The real advantage of the Flex, though, is price. Because demand for its unusual styling is lower than for a typical SUV, you can find a 2016 Flex SE with 90,000 to 130,000 miles for shockingly low prices, often $7,000 to $10,000. You're getting 3 rows of seating, a massive amount of interior space, and a bulletproof drivetrain, all for less than what a comparable Taurus or Edge might cost. As with the other vehicles on this list, avoid the EcoBoost turbocharged Flex trims if long-term reliability is the priority. Stick with the naturally aspirated SE, and you'll have a vehicle that just refuses to quit. That wraps up our 4 cheap Fords that last forever. Now it's time to flip the script completely, because the next 3 vehicles have cost owners thousands of dollars in repairs, lawsuits, and heartbreak. Number 1, especially, is a Ford that many mechanics refuse to even work on. Number 3, 2013 Ford Focus SE. Number 3 on our list, and the first vehicle that could genuinely bankrupt you, is the 2013 Ford Focus SE, equipped with Ford's infamous PowerShift dual-clutch automatic transmission. This is one of the most notorious drivetrains Ford has ever put into a consumer vehicle. The PowerShift transmission was marketed as a fuel-efficient, sporty alternative to a traditional automatic, but in reality, it became one of the largest reliability disasters in the company's history. Owners reported shuddering, jerking, delayed acceleration, and complete transmission failure, sometimes with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Ford ultimately faced a massive class action lawsuit over this transmission, covering vehicles from model years 2011 through 2016, and the Focus was at the center of it. Replacement clutch packs and transmission control modules were common repairs, and full transmission replacements could easily run $2,000 to $4,000, sometimes more, on a car that isn't worth much to begin with. What makes this especially dangerous for budget buyers is the price trap. A 2013 Focus SE looks incredibly cheap on the used market, often listed for $4,000 to $6,000. But that low price disguises the risk of a five-figure repair bill spread across multiple failed transmission components over the years you own it. If you're seriously considering this car, get a pre-purchase inspection and specifically ask about PowerShift transmission service history. Some units were repaired under extended warranty programs, and those cars are far safer bets than one with no documented service. Cheap on the sticker, expensive in reality. That's the 2013 Focus SE. But number 2 takes this same transmission nightmare and puts it into an even more popular vehicle. Number 2, 2014 Ford Fiesta SE. At number 2, we have the 2014 Ford Fiesta SE, which unfortunately shares the exact same cursed PowerShift dual-clutch transmission as the Focus. The Fiesta was one of Ford's best-selling subcompacts during this era, which means thousands of these transmissions were sold, and thousands of owners experienced the same frustrating problems. Hesitation when accelerating from a stop, grinding or shuddering between gears, and dashboard warning lights indicating transmission faults. What makes the Fiesta particularly painful is how early these failures tend to show up. Multiple owners have documented transmission problems appearing well before 60,000 miles, meaning even a lightly used, low-mileage Fiesta isn't necessarily safe from this issue. The dual-clutch design simply wasn't built to handle daily stop-and-go driving the way a traditional automatic can. Repair costs mirror the Focus almost exactly. A full transmission control module replacement can run several $100s, while a complete transmission rebuild or replacement often climbs into the $2,000 to $4,000 range. For a car that typically sells used for only $4,000 to $6,000, that repair bill can genuinely exceed the value of the vehicle itself. Ford did extend warranty coverage on many of these transmissions, so if you already own one or are considering buying one, checking the vehicle history for prior PowerShift-related warranty claims is essential. A Fiesta with a documented transmission replacement under warranty is a dramatically safer buy than one with an original, unaddressed unit. The lesson here is simple. An attractive price tag on a Fiesta from this generation almost always hides a transmission time bomb underneath. That brings us to number 1, the Ford that mechanics dread seeing pull into the shop the most. Number 1, 2015 Ford Escape SE 1.6L EcoBoost. Our number 1 Ford that can absolutely bankrupt you is the 2015 Ford Escape SE, equipped with the 1.6-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This engine has one of the worst reliability reputations of any Ford power plant from this era, and it earned it. The 1.6-liter EcoBoost was plagued with coolant intrusion problems, where coolant would leak internally into the combustion chamber, mixing with engine oil. This isn't a minor issue. It can lead to overheating, engine seizure, and in a well-documented number of cases, engine fires. Ford issued multiple technical service bulletins and even a recall specifically addressing overheating and fire risk on this engine. Owners reported white smoke, engine warning lights, coolant loss with no visible external leak, and in the worst scenarios, total engine failure requiring full replacement. A new or remanufactured engine replacement for this 1.6-liter EcoBoost can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $7,000 installed, which is often more than the entire vehicle is worth on the used market. A 2015 Escape SE with this engine typically sells for only $6,000 to $9,000, meaning one catastrophic failure could cost you more than you paid for the car itself. Combine that with the fact that this generation Escape also uses the same troubled PowerShift-adjacent 6-speed automatic in some configurations, and you have a vehicle stacked with expensive risk on multiple fronts. If you're shopping for a 2015 Escape, specifically avoid the 1.6-liter EcoBoost trim. The 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine offered in base trims is a dramatically safer, more dependable choice. This is exactly why the 2015 Escape SE with the 1.6 EcoBoost takes the number 1 spot as the Ford most likely to bankrupt an unsuspecting buyer. So there you have it, 4 cheap Fords that last forever, and 3 that could destroy your budget. Which one surprised you most? Drop a comment and subscribe for more honest car breakdowns.